Hello everyone, welcome to lecture 8.2. So in this video what we are going to understand, in this video about the len function, dictionary function, keys, value functions, all these functions which are displaying on the screen. We are going to discuss each function. So let's start. As we have understood in the previous lecture, dictionary is a very great way to store data in form of key value pair, right, which makes very powerful database system in the Python, and it makes very easier and fast way of accessing any data based on the key. So let's understand different types of functions which are used for performing different types of tasks in the dictionary. So first of all, we have function dict function. Means this is a constructor function which is used to create empty dictionary. We already have discussed in the previous program how to create empty dictionary with the help of dict function. Okay, so let's understand. As you can see in the example, it's little complex. We are using myDict equal to dict. Under the parenthesis we are passing the list, and in list we are passing a single key value pair in the form of tuple. So this is one of the way to store value into dictionary directly, but this is not the easy way to store. The easiest way is simple one, how we are storing with the help of curly braces. That is the easiest way. This is little complex. This process is used for programming. If your program is designed in which some output is generated by one part of program, and that output you want to store in dictionary as an input part, then we can use this concept there. That is why this can be used. Len function is used to provide the length of dictionary. If we talk about the length of dictionary, it means total number of elements in the dictionary, total number of key value pairs in the dictionary. How many total number of key value pairs are there in the dictionary, that we have to find out through len function. Example you can see. Let us do one by one practically also. We have stored this example, so I am going to use this stored records of dictionary for each example. So I am just printing here, print len, use len function, use parenthesis and pass inside of this record which is dictionary, and let's see the output. Now output is coming 6, correct? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 total number of records are there, 6, right? This is the use of len function. Next we have items. So item function returns the object displaying a list of key value pairs in the dictionary. Means from the dictionary, if you want to get the key value pair separately, then we can use items. So already we have discussed. Again let us check. Use record dot items, right? Now let's see the output. What is the output coming here? So you can see it is returning an object of dictionary type which has a list of tuples in the form of key value pair. So this is key and this is value, but it is combined, it is packed in a tuple. So you can see it is packed into tuple, so that key it is not modified, and all these tuples are part of list. It means list of tuples are given as an output. But the same items, if you want to use properly, then we can use it using for loop. For key, or I am using k comma v for value, okay, in record dot items. Now you just use print function, print key comma v, k for key and v for value. It will display key and value together. So now we can have your key value all together, right? So this is a proper way of using the item function to display record properly. Otherwise this is the output which we have got earlier, directly printing the item function, and it will not be useful, right? So use this method to access single key value pair from the dictionary. Next we have a get function. If you want to get a single value from the dictionary using its index, then we can use get function, right? For example, again here, if you want to display print record dot get. Now here we have to pass the key 104. I am passing as a key. Then you will get the value of that key, which is Samarth. It is also very simple. Okay, this is useful when you don't have a specified key in your mind and you just want to check if you want to search whether that key is present in the dictionary or not. If it is there, then it will display the value, and if it is not present in the dictionary, you can display any proper message. Okay, so if the keys doesn't exist, it returns none or default value, right? So if any default value is set, so that will be returned. If value is not present, if the key is not specified, it will return none. It is not going to display error, right? Now next function we have keys. Key function, key method is used to return all the keys from the dictionary. Okay, and values function will return all the values from dictionary. If you want to get separate a list of all the keys and you want to get list of all the values separately, then we can use these functions all together and they will provide us list of keys and values. Let us check the example. Here if I am writing record dot keys, right? See, very simple. Press F5, you will get all the list of all the keys are here. Now if you just write here values, and you will get the only values. Okay, but we are using dictionary because of its key value process. Okay, key value pairship, so that is making it very easy to access. But if you have separately key and separate value, then it is not going to be useful. But somewhere in the program we have chances to use only keys, only values. If you want to search something in the values only, then we can use that also. Del keyword is used to delete the specified key value from the dictionary. You can see the syntax. We have to provide del. Del is not a function properly, it is a keyword. Then we don't need to use parentheses. Keep in mind, we don't need to use parentheses, only we need to use del, then space my means dictionary, and pass out key inside of that dictionary. Then that key value pair will be removed from dictionary. So let's see. First of all, let us print here direct records after using the del keyword. So what we have to do, del use record and use here suppose 104 I am going to remove. So 104 is for Samarth. So let's see the output whether it is deleting or not. So Anil, Ravi, Sumit, Delhi, Kolkata, they are available, but Samarth is not there. It means it has been removed. Now we have update. Now we have update method, update function, which is used to update the dictionary with another dictionary key value pair, right? Once your dictionary is already created, for example this dictionary is already created with us and we want to update with another dictionary or another key value pair. For example, we have study equal to one more dictionary like 55 comma Ravi until 66 colon 55 colon Ravi until and 66 colon Kavi. And if you want to update it, to record dot update function, and then we have to pass study and then we have to print record, right? So this statement should be out of print and just print here record. So we can see the output. We have here Kolkata. After Kolkata we have 55 Ravi until and 66 Kavi. Okay, and keep one thing in mind, if we have any repeated key, for example we are using here 104, again the same key which is already present in the previous dictionary, then what will happen, the record this will be overwritten and you will get only this one record 104 with Kavi. This is the uniqueness of dictionary. Automatically it removes the duplicate key, so you can get here 104 is displaying for Kavi only. Okay, so this function we have understood about the update. Next we have clear function. Clear function remove all the items from the dictionary, making it completely empty. Simple process we have, use dictionary dot clear method, automatically your dictionary will be completely clear. So let's have an example of this also. We are showing you by practical example so that there is no only concept, there is proper demonstration. So we use clear function it is very important to note down which function we are using with the parenthesis and where we are not using parenthesis, which function we are using with assignment operator, dot operator. Somewhere we are using dictionary dot operator, and somewhere we are passing the dictionary inside of function. This thing you have to keep in mind. In the video of functions and in the video of method, I have defined how and what are the differences into this dot operator and what are the difference of passing value inside of function. So you can check that video. Now if I am going to run this program, so you can see dictionary is coming completely empty. Dictionary is displaying completely empty. It is full empty dictionary. Okay, so next we have from copy. First of all, we are doing the copy function will return a shallow copy of dictionary. Means if we have dictionary 1 A and B, then if you are copying a dictionary to other dictionary, right, then you will get the same copy of dictionary. So if you want to create another copy of one dictionary, then use copy. For example, if we have rec equal to dict, okay, another empty dictionary, and if we are writing here rec equal to record dot copy and just print here rec, okay, so you will get complete copy of previous dictionary. Very simple to use. Now we have from keys, little different function which creates a new dictionary with the keys from a sequence, setting each keys values to a specified default. Okay, understood? Create a new dictionary with the keys from a sequence, setting each key's value to a specified default. Means if you want to create a dictionary in which we want to provide complete list of keys, but value should not be given in advance. Value will be given when program is executing, or the value will be sent by the user after some certain program processing. Okay, means in the future you are sending the value, but keys are already there. For example, roll number, you have defined roll number, or for example you are making a program in which you want to collect the population of each city, and city names are already stored in the dictionary as a key. Now the population will be stored by the user when program is being executed. So in this way we can define keys like ABC and dictionary equal to dict from keys. So from keys will be the part of dict. Dict is a keyword, so dict dot from keys, and now this function will take the keys which is already defined as a list and 0 as a default value. Then when we are going to print this new dictionary, then you will get 0 default value for all the dictionary. So for example, let us do, I am putting this all in comments so that we can work with the new code part. For example, now as I told you, record equal to we have here city, suppose Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Noida. Okay, for all these cities I don't have any specified records. Record means population which we are going to store. So what we will do, so we will be defining a dictionary. For example, yeah, so city details equal to dict, use dict. Dict is a function which is used to create empty dictionary. So dict dot from keys, right, from keys, dict from keys. And now here we have to pass record, comma. Now after record we have to pass default value. Default value I am passing here any, right. Now print city details. So you can see output is Delhi NA, Mumbai NA, Kolkata NA, Noida NA. Means already keys are defined but the values are given NA because no value has been assigned. So this is the use of from keys function If you want to define keys in advance but the values later on, use default value, because without value your dictionary can't be defined. If you are not going to provide any value to the dictionary, it will show error. So value we have to give, but if you want to give any default value to each key, then use this function from this. Pop function removes and returns the value of from a specified key. Okay, any value means whatever key you are specifying with the dictionary, that value will be removed and returned by the pop function. So you can see the example, value equal to my dictionary dot pop. A is a key and my dictionary is a dictionary, and that key value pair will be removed from the dictionary, right? Next we have pop items. So if you want to remove last inserted key value pair, so it works only for dictionary with the element raised array if empty, right? So if you are writing my dictionary dot pop item, so it will remove the last one, the very last one. Okay, pop item means means we don't need to pass any argument, any value into pop item, only just write down my dictionary dot pop item. So let us see one by one example. So we are going to use the previous details. So if you also want to practice, then make a dictionary. If you also want to practice all the functions, then make a dictionary and use all the functions on the same dictionary. Then you don't need to write down again and again data. So print record dot pop. First of all, pop function. Pop function will take a key. Suppose 102 I am passing. Sorry, 102. So let us print. To Ravi Kumar, this has been removed, but we are not able to check entire dictionary. So once again you print record. Okay, so press F5. So now we can check here, Ravi Kumar has been removed from the dictionary. Okay, and pop items. So second function which we are using, that is pop item. In pop item we don't need to pass any argument. Okay, so let us see what it is going to remove. It will remove the last value, Kolkata. Okay, see, Kolkata has been removed. It is displaying the return value, and from the dictionary it has been removed from backend side. If you repeat the same process again, it will remove two times, two value. Means after Kolkata, it will remove Delhi also. You can see Delhi is also removed. And if we are using the same function using loop, it will remove all the values. Means it will work equal to clear function. Next we have max and min function. Now max function will find the maximum key in the dictionary. By default, comparisons are done on the key basis. Okay, key by. So for example, if you have this dictionary A, B, C, and now if you are finding the max function, then max will return here C based on the key, and here ABCs are alphabets. Here ABCs are alphabets, then it will be finding C as an output, because if we go with the ASCII code, then this ASCII code of C is going to be higher. And in the same way, min function is going to provide the minimum value based on the key. So let us check the example with the help of our own records. Okay, so I am putting here first of all record max. So now here what is the output, what output should be there, because we have here numeric keys also and string keys also. So let's see the output first of all. So it's returning what? Dict object has no, sorry, we need to pass your key complete dictionary, we need to pass here inside of max function. So records, so record we're passing here inside of max function. Now see the error. So this is not supporting because we are having a string and int together. So either your key must be only string or it must be only numeric. So if I am putting it all numeric, right, removing this, then see the output. Okay, now press F5. 104 is coming the highest key, and the same way if you want to find out the minimum key, so it will return minimum key. And if we have for example AA as a key, means string, BB as a key, again string cc as a key, and again string dd as a key. So let us see what is the name coming. A is coming, right? And if we talk about the max, it will come dd, because it is now checking character by character from the key. And character by character, how it is checking? It is checking on the ASCII code. Suppose if I am writing here, for example, A is here and Z is here, AZ, and if you want to check the max, then see the output, D is coming. Okay, because D and D both are higher than this one. First characteristic, not second characteristic being checked. Okay, next we have setDefault, last function of the dictionary. So setDefault function in Python dictionary is used to get the value from a specified key if the key is already present in the dictionary. If key is not present, then setDefault insert the key with the specified default value and return that default value. Please try to understand that this function setDefault method will return the value of a specified key if the key is already present in the dictionary, and if the key is not present in the dictionary, it will set the specified default value in the dictionary and will return the same value. So for example, we have here, for example, number 1. So my dictionary is there, name colon Alice and age 25 is given, right? Two key values are given here. So now if you are writing here result equal to my dictionary dot set default name, name is a key and unknown, right? So it is displaying output what? This Alice, because already this key value is present there. Okay, and second output is coming, name Alice 25. Okay, it is not updated, means already that key is present, so value is not going to be updated. But in example number 2, see, in this example the key name is already existing, so setDefault is simply returning its value and the dictionary remains unchanged. But example number 2, if key doesn't exist, then what will happen? If you are setting a setDefault city key is not there with unknown, then what will happen? You can see name Alice, age and city is coming. So let's do the practical of this concept also. We are taking the same thing here and printing here record. Okay, before record you have to write down record dot set default. Okay, and set default, what we are going to write bb the key, it is string key, so it should be in single quote or double quote, and we are going to give here some value I am giving here, suppose Delhi, right? So let us see the output. So AZ, BB Ravi, CC Sumit and AD Samarth, it is not updated, right? But now if suppose I am giving here EE, which is not in the dictionary, then what will be the dictionary? It will be added with the default value, right? E. The setDefault method in Python dictionary is used to get the value of a specified key if the key is present in the dictionary, and if the key is not present in the dictionary, it will insert a specified key and a specified value, and the same will be returned back as an output. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have understood about all the functions, how to use them, how to do practice with them. Do practice, and if you have any doubt, so you can send me on comment section and we will discuss once more. Thank you so much for watching the video.